By now, you must have understood the significance of advisory services. In this chapter, we will learn how you would raise a ticket using KisanLink application. In order to raise a ticket using advisory services, KisanSathi needs to open the KisanLink app and click on the Services button. Service would be unlocked after completing the course for that particular service. Click on the Advisory Services, click on Raise New Ticket. Fill the necessary details, farmer's name, image, and description of the issue. After filling the details, click on Submit. You would receive confirmation after submitting the request. You can check the status of the tickets raised anytime by clicking on Advisory in the Services tab. There would be 3 results: pending, recommended, or resolved. You would get the following screen if there is a recommendation from the agronomist, and you would be prompted to click on Confirm Resolve. The tickets resolved would be reflected under the resolved category.